Are you someone who uses or plans to use cryptocurrency for online transactions or investments? If so, then you need to watch this video till the end. With the rise in popularity of cryptocurrencies, cybercriminals have been targeting them more frequently, resulting in various cybersecurity threats. Stick to the video till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Welcome to CryptoShine YouTube channel, where we discuss the latest trends in technology, and today, we are going to talk about the connection between cryptocurrency and cybersecurity. Over the past few years, the popularity of cryptocurrencies has skyrocketed, leading to an increase in their use across various industries. However, this increase in use has also led to an increase in cybersecurity threats. What is cryptocurrency? To understand the connection between cryptocurrency and cybersecurity, we need to first understand what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It is decentralized and operates on a peer-to-peer network, meaning there is no central authority controlling it. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are now over 4,000 cryptocurrencies in circulation. Cryptocurrencies are bought, sold, and stored in digital wallets, and are used for various purposes, including online purchases, investments, and international money transfers. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrencies use a technology called blockchain, which is a distributed ledger that records every transaction made with the cryptocurrency. The blockchain technology is considered secure because it is tamper-proof and cannot be altered once a transaction is recorded. Each block in the chain contains a cryptography hash of the previous block, making it impossible to alter or delete any transaction data. This decentralized nature of blockchain makes it difficult for hackers to attack the system and steal the cryptocurrency. Cybersecurity threats to cryptocurrency. Although Bitcoin technology provides a secure platform for cryptocurrency transactions, there are still cybersecurity threats that affect cryptocurrencies. The most common threats include hacking attacks, phishing scams, and ransomware attacks. Hacking attacks. Cryptocurrency exchanges are prime targets for hacking attacks because they hold large amounts of cryptocurrency. If a hacker gains access to an exchange database, they can steal the cryptocurrency held by the exchange and its customers. Phishing scams. Phishing scams are designed to trick users into giving up their login credentials or private keys, which are needed to access and transfer cryptocurrency. These scams often involve fake emails or websites that appear legitimate but are designed to steal sensitive information. Ransomware attacks. Ransomware attacks are a type of malware attack that involves encrypting the victim's data and demanding payment in exchange for the decryption key. This type of attack can be devastating for individuals and businesses, as it can result in significant financial losses and the loss of valuable data. Ransomware attacks are usually initiated through a phishing email or a vulnerability in the victim's computer system. Once the ransomware infects the system, it begins to encrypt the victim's data, making it inaccessible to the victim. The victim is then presented with a ransom note which demands payment in cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, in exchange for the decryption key. Cryptocurrency and cybersecurity solutions. To address these cybersecurity threats, the cryptocurrency industry has developed various solutions. Some of these solutions include hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are essentially small devices that store a user's private keys offline, providing an added layer of security compared to online or software-based wallets. These devices come in the form of a USB stick, smart card, or other portable devices. They typically feature a small screen and buttons for entering a PIN or passphrase, which must be entered to access the wallet and make transactions. Multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, is a security process that requires users to provide 2 or more forms of identification before they can access their cryptocurrency wallets. This additional layer of security makes it more difficult for cybercriminals to gain unauthorized access to user accounts and steal cryptocurrency. Anti-money laundering regulations. Anti-money laundering regulations require cryptocurrency exchanges to perform due diligence on their customers and report any suspicious activity. This helps prevent money laundering and other illegal activities involving cryptocurrency. In conclusion, the connection between cryptocurrency and cybersecurity is significant. Cryptocurrencies provide a secure platform for transactions through blockchain technology, but they are still vulnerable to various cybersecurity threats. However, the cryptocurrency industry has developed solutions to address these threats and improve the security of cryptocurrency transactions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CryptoShine YouTube channel for more videos.